hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Fanny Computer Hub. So in this video, we're going to continue from where we stopped on the Google Drive. So let me open my drive. Okay, there are a lot of things we have not touched. So if you want to share a file to someone, maybe this is your Google Drive, you uploaded a lot of things on your shared. Okay, let's say this is the file that I just compiled, right? Okay, then I want to share, let's say, this particular file now to someone. Okay, first of all, while sharing it, you can decide to give the person access, which I have showed you on the previous tutorials. But if we click on these three dots that is here now, you're going to see manage access. Okay, once I click on manage access, yeah, how people can access this particular file. Okay, if for example I mistakenly sent, or maybe I intentionally forwarded, yeah, copy the link of this file and send it to a friend, I can say under manage access, I can say let this file be accessed by anyone that has the link, or by anyone I added here to access it. Let's say now under here you can see under general access, you can see this file, the file I just selected now, you say is restricted because it can only be accessed. You say only people added can open with the link. Okay, so if I added an email address here, maybe a friend of mine want to access the file, I have to click on this but on this plus sign, thus an icon with plus sign, click there and then add the email address that I want to him or her to have access to that file. Okay, but what if I don't have the time to keep on adding email addresses? I can go back and then come here under restricted. I'll click on change. I'll say okay, I want this file to be accessed by anyone that has the link. Okay, I can come here, click on it. I'll say anyone with the link. So once I select anyone with the link, it will change the access. Can you see permission updated? I have updated the file that anyone with the link can have access to this file. So let me go back now. So if let me go back again. So if I copy this file and I come here, select these three dots, copy the link of this file and share it to someone. Let's say I share it to a WhatsApp group, or I share it to a friend on WhatsApp. Okay, so once he or she has the link, he or she can access the file. Okay, but because I have changed the manage access to anyone that has the link. So and not just that, guys, once I click on this part now, can you see anyone that has the link? Then below it you can see that thing I showed you on the previous tutorial. Now this on viewer, I want this person to just view the file. I don't want him or you to edit it for me. I don't want him or you to make changes, that is editing. Okay, I just want him or anyone that will have access, anyone that will open the file, to just view it. Let's say it might be a PDF, or it might be your ebook that you just, after typing, you edit and all that, then you upload it into your Google Drive, and then somebody maybe somebody paid for it, and from that your Google Drive you share the link to that person. You can say I want this person to just view this ebook, read it. When he or she is through reading it, the person should just calm down and leave your file. Okay, but if you want the person to have access by editing it, making corrections and all that, then you come here, select editor. So we have actually done a lot of things, a lot of all these things on the previous videos. If you have not gone through it, you can check the description below and watch the video. So let's go back. I want us to check this part, these three lines. Once we click on it, You can see a lot of things here under listen. If you click on listen, you can see listen files. Can you see today? These are things that I did today, files uploaded today, okay, or even files that were shared to me today. You are going to see them. This is offline, this is trash, nothing is on my trash. If I delete anything, can you see all this I just deleted? If I want to empty this my trash, can you see say items are deleted forever after 30 days. So after 30 days, all the files that are here that are stayed up to 30 days will just wipe out. Okay, but if I want to clean all this thing by myself, I'll just click on empty trash. I can click empty trash, say delete forever. Okay, so I'll go back, click on it again. You can see your spam, nothing is there. You can see backups and all that. You can see if you can back up your files. Okay, you can see your settings. Just open your setting, make amendment, make a lot of things. Under manage storage, you can see your storage. If I go down, now you can see my storage here. I still have about I have 15 gig storage, which I have used 4.9 gig out of 15 gig. So I still have more storage. Okay, so if I finish all this storage, if maybe my storage gets filled, I can decide to increase my storage. Can you see here 100 gig storage by paying 240 naira monthly? Okay, so that is it. Let's go back. So you can see a lot of things, you can see feedbacks and all that. So this is my storage too. So guys, this is it. Okay, this is the Google Drive that everybody is actually making use of. Okay, it just handy, is on your phone. You don't need to beg for somebody, you don't need to subscribe to get it. It is just free of charge. Okay, so let me also touch this. If you click on this, you can see we have talked about this Google Doc, this Google Sheet. Let me just view so that you can see the interface. Okay, so I have to install it, but I don't want to install it. Okay, but let's just use this so that you can see how it is. It's just like it's just the same thing with Microsoft Excel. Okay, those that have done computer training will understand it more better. Use to do calculations, to create budgeting and all that. Then Google Slides, if I click on it, you can install it too. Is you can install the application and use it to create slides. Okay, you use it to create slides for your presentation. Okay, so even if you don't have a laptop, you can use these Google Slides to create amazing slides. It will just be like you use your laptop to do that. Okay, the same thing being I've showed you how to use Google Doc. Okay, so it's the same thing, as if it's the same thing that you can use your laptop, open Microsoft Word,